And pag-usapan natin yung nangyaring yung last December din, sinabi ng Vatican Commission ni Pope Leo na walang doctrinal basis para sa female deacon. So paano mo ma-explain to?
That's correct. You know, even during the time of Pope Francis, di ba? Maraming nininervyos, di ba? Yung sa Amazonia, yung sa Amazon, di ba? Nagkaroon ng synod on the Amazon, baka na magkaroon ng i-approve yung female diaconate. Nothing of that sort happened. Because this is part of public revelation. Talagang walang theological and scriptural basis. Okay? Because holy orders is reserved for men.
Yeah.
Okay? Not because they are superior to women, but because of fundamental and substantial distinction. Diba? In the same manner na ang pare, hindi pwede magmadre.
Right.
Ayan. So, wala. Doon sa 7 deacons na inappoint, walang babae doon. We cannot improve on the choice of the Lord. Diba? Kasi remember, at that time naman, nung panahon na yon, merong mga diba, may mga priestesses sa ibang mga religion. So, hindi bago yung idea na yan. So, when the Lord came, ang daming sa mga cultures na prevailing, nandiyan na yan. May mga temple prostitutes, diba? May mga priestesses, ni Artemis, si Diana sa Rome, diba? But hindi pinili ng Panginoon eh. Diba? And besides, may theological talaga. Kasi nga, ang priesthood conform to Christ. And Christ is historically male. Diba? To a lesser extent, ganun din yung mga deacons.
Tingin mo bakit pinupush tong female deacons?
Part yan ng part yan ng
feminism?
Part yan ng ideology.
Mga feminist.
Because if you can say that. If you can push for male diaconate, what's stopping you from pushing for a female priesthood and later on female episcopacy? Diba? So magiging Anglican na tayo. Wala na tayong
nag-divide nga sila dahil dyan, di ba?
So, yun, let's hold the line.
Pero tingin mo wala talagang chance to. So, hindi mangyayari to.
Hindi mangyayari.
Yung iba kasi nag-worry, baka mangyayari yun. Never.
May mga tinatawag tayong deaconess, pero yun yung mga asawa ng mga permanent deacons. Di ba? So, hindi naman talaga siya sacramentally deacons. Hindi ordained. Kundi function lang dahil tumutulong sa asawa nilang deacons. But they are not ordained.
Magtiwala lang tayo palagi sa simbahan.
Yes. The Holy Spirit is alive. The Holy Spirit continues to blow wherever He wills. And the Lord promised to give us the Holy Spirit. He will lead us into all the truth.